has become a standard in the industry, but that doesn't always seem to work. Hi, I'm David Vella, President of Crown Custom Metal Spinning, also known as Crown Cookware. I'm here in this video to explain to you the various types of custom pizza pans that we can make for you. You're familiar with the traditional pizza pan, a solid pizza pan, small coupe, workhorse in the industry. We also perforated these pans. Back in the 80s, my father and I came up with this idea, and this has become a standard in the industry. But that doesn't always seem to work. People want different types of pans for their special recipes, and so we make these different types of pans. This is a deep dish, a tapered pan. We can make it so that the pans fit inside each other, different stacking features. One pan fits inside the other. You could also make it so that they don't fit inside each other, that they're straight, depending on your needs and requirements. We can make them tapered with no bead. This is a cutter pan, for example. So basically, you might be in a situation where you own a pizzeria and there are existing pans. You don't know where they came from, or you can't find them anywhere. You can send us a pan, or send us a drawing, or send us a sketch or a picture, whatever's convenient for you. Let us take a look at it, and we should be able to give you a quote on making the pan in various sizes. Sometimes in a special pan, a tooling is required in a round pan. This is a very simple type of tool. For spinning. It's not like a $20,000 tool that's required in some industries. A tool of this nature starts at $200. It's very simple. You can see that it's the inside shape of the pan. This is a small tapered aluminum pizza pan. The inside shape is the tool. It's very practical and efficient to make. So it's something that we can do, design for you. We can make as few as 50 pizza pans if that's all you need, or thousands or tens of thousands, which we do for some of our customers already. Let me continue talking about the different types of perforations that you can get in your pans. As I pointed out earlier, this is our standard perforation. Now this size doesn't always work for every customer. Everybody has different needs. We can do a smaller perforation. We have the technology now. Without the requirement of any tooling, we can do almost any size hole in almost any desired perforation style. We can have the spacing further apart, closer together, or not so many holes, whatever you require. For example, this is a little bit larger than the small one here, but not as many perforations. There's a much larger gap between them, and it offers some of the abilities that the holes provide without having too many holes that may cause problems in your operation. Whereas this one is a deep dish pan that has a margin with no perforations, and it's the larger one. So the perforation that you need is basically that, what you need. We could provide you with any size hole, with any quantity of holes, almost given the limitations of the tooling, which probably will not affect you at all. Alright, now we're going to talk about the square cornered pans. This is a square pan. It has a rounded corner. It's a formed corner. But with the special technology that we employ, we could use the same tooling for various shapes and sizes. So no tooling costs are required on your part to make a custom pan of this nature. We also have other types of square pans. This is a tapered welded pan. It has a taper, the corner is welded together. So basically this pan could hold water if desired. And these are made tapered, of course, to stack into each other. Now the one more type that we have is an open corner. This is a folded pan, just folded up, left with an open corner. Now the corner has to be left open to qualify for cleanliness, to keep the bacteria from having a place to harbor. So these are the types of square pans that we can make. As I explained earlier, square or rectangular don't require tooling. We can make these in various sizes, up to maybe whatever your oven can handle pretty well.